Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's see how to solve the problem of jumping image in this Sansui 43-inch Full HD 4K television. Screw hole for these two stands on left and right. After that we need to remove all the screws. Right side and top side are smaller one, and the bottom side the screws are a bit bigger one. So we need to remove all the screws. And the four screws on the back side, big screws that are for wall mount. So customer has not put any wall mount bracket, he was using a stand. You just remove all the screws surrounding and pull the cabinet in this way. Here you see, here this screw also we need to remove with a sticker. There is a sticker. Now disconnect the AC mains from power supply board. Keep the back cover aside. See, two FPCs are there connected to timing control board. Just unlock it as shown here. Remove the strip. Take a Teflon tape used for in plumbing. This tape is usually used for plumbing purpose. If you want, you can use other insulating tapes, thinner one, not thick one. Just wrap the tape to the FPC cable on the left edge as shown in this video. Just fix the cable, lock it gently. Yes. Now let's switch it on and check. I have tried many things, that is, I removed both the strips connected to timing control board because there was lot of rust on the connectors, copper tracks, there were a lot of rusting, so I had cleaned it but it did not work. So I am not showing all that in this video. I have just shown the thing that has worked. So now you see the image is good, it's clear, there are no lines, the image is not jumping, it is stable. So now let's fix the back cover. As you can see, all the color is good, image is good, back is also good. Alphabets are also clear, no shading, no lines, no image blurring. So now let's fix the back cover. Connect the AC mains. I will not fix this tape because it is not having any addition. If I leave it like that, it may short circuit the power supply or main board, etc., wherever it will go, because it is a conducting tape. Now place the back cover. Fix the screws. Left, right and top side the small screws, and the bottom side along the stands it is a bit bigger screws. Cover the screw holes with the rubber cap. Now let's check it once again. Okay, 4K Ultra HD Sansui 43-inch 4K Ultra HD TV. Now the image is not jumping, not flickering. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the image flickering or jumping problem of your Sansui 43-inch 4K Ultra HD LED television. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.